ये ले, ये मुसलमान का खून, ये हिंदू का खून। बता, इसमें मुसलमान का कौन सा, हिंदू का कौन सा? बता। साले बनाने वाले ने इसमें फर्क नहीं किया, तू कौन होता है फर्क करने वाला?
जो वीडियो आपने भी देखा was my fondest memory of the veteran actor Nana Patekar. That memory has changed today. वो कहता है ना, जो दर्द देता है वही दवा भी देता है। नेटफ्लिक्स की अ गर्ल ऑन द ट्रेन ने काफ़ी दर्द दिया, पर साथ में एक मूवी भी रिकमेंड किया, नट सम्राट, 2016 की मराठी फिल्म। एंड आई रिसर्च, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, क्या डेटा एनालिटिक्स, क्या AI ML क्या लगा इसके पीछे टू गिव मी नेट सम्राट. Then I did some research and I found out that 27th February is celebrated as Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Divas. तो मे बी उस वजह से नट सम्राट रिकमेंड किया just after I had watched A Girl on the Train. So before watching the movie, I went ahead and I saw its IMDb rating, 9 out of 10. Okay. After watching the movie, I felt betrayed. I was like, no, this rating is incorrect. This rating is wrong. This rating needs to change. And why am I making that claim? वॉच द फुल वीडियो फॉर दैट. जीवन में बैलेंस बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. दुख के बाद सुख, सुख के बाद दुख आना लाजमी है. नट सम्राट और द किंग ऑफ थिएटर और द एक्टर किंग is a 2016 Indian Marathi language drama film starring Nana Patekar in the leading role, depicting the tragic family life of a stage actor who has retired from acting but is unable to forget his fond memories of theater and the stage. The film is a screen adaptation of noted Marathi playwright Kusum Agraj's iconic Marathi play Nat Samrat, which was first staged in 1970. सबसे पहले कास्ट के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाना पाटेकर एज द नट सम्राट, विल बी रेफरिंग टू हिम एज नाना. मेधा मजरेकर एज कावेरी, नानाज वाइफ, जिसको नाना बहुत प्यार से सरकार बुलाते हैं. द लेजेंडरी विक्रम गोखले एज राम भाऊ, नानाज फ्रेंड. मृण्मय देशपांडे एज विद्या, नानाज डॉटर. अजित परब एज मकरंद, नाना's son. नेहा पेंडसे एज अजित's wife, नाना की बहू. एंड सुनील बर्वे एज राहुल बर्वे, नाना's दामाद, एज विद्या's husband. एंड सारंग सथाई एज सिद्धार्थ. नाउ स्टोरी ये है कि सिद्धार्थ इज अ US रिटर्न थिएटर enthusiast who wants to talk to the नट सम्राट. ही इज following him, जहाँ वो जाते हैं फॉलो करता है. Probably he wants him to come back to theater. And apparently जिस थिएटर में नाना परफॉर्म करते थे वो जल गया है, जल के राख हो गया है और सब सिर्फ कबाड़ बचा है. और नाना वहाँ जाते हैं और सिद्धार्थ उनको फॉलो करते करते वहाँ भी आ जाता है. एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स रेमिनिसिंग हिज लाइफ. सो यू आर फिगरिंग आउट कि कैसे इस हालत पे पहुँच गए नाना, जो नट सम्राट थे, नट सम्राट किंग ऑफ थिएटर, बहुत ही पैसा था, शोहरत था, वो कैसे इस हालत में पहुँच गए, ये एक्सप्लोर करती है पूरी कहानी. दिस मूवी इज़ 2 hours 45 minutes long. So popcorn, chips, cold drink और most importantly napkins लेकर बैठिएगा, because if you're an emotional person like me, you're going to cry. And trust me, you're going to cry a lot. There are 3 things that completely stand out in this movie. Number 1, dialogues. The movie has various set pieces decorated with beautiful dialogues. Dialogues which might be lines from the play, or a monologue, or a rant from the depth of Nana's or Nat Samrat's soul. 1 minute into the movie and I was hooked to what Nana was saying. From Shakespearean lines like whether Caesar or Brutus, and dialogues like blindness is a blessing. So Nana as Nat Samrat had killed it in many Shakespearean plays as Othello, Hamlet, King Lear, and a tea shop was blurting Shakespeare as he was working. The dialogues are so good that I had to go back 10 seconds and read them again and again. Get ready to be mesmerized by a Karna Krishna Samvad between Vikram Gokhale portraying Karn and Nana Patekar as Krishna. This is the scene from Mahabharata when Karn is on his deathbed and he asks Krishna why he faced rejection throughout his life. Point number 2, a thesis on philosophy. I love the movie which have a philosophical undertone. You will be supplied with life lessons every now and then. You will hear commentary on actors' life, film, theater, villains, roles, art, alcohol. These commentaries are the perfect medium to express the pain and trepidation of old age. एक dialogue that stood out for me. A soul hovering in space comes to earth through the path of our lust, and we think we have become fathers and mothers. False. It's false. we all walk alone. Lines like these show the reality. We are all alone, right? We are, in fact, all alone. If the world is so selfish, why must we do good? Because we have to become the immovable North Star, the lighthouse that guides lost souls, and the wick that burns itself just to light up the room. I believe that जो movies आपको एक better इंसान बनाए, उससे अच्छी movie कोई हो नहीं सकती. So before we move on to point number 3, this video is dedicated to the 312 awesome subscribers and the millions who are going to join my pursuit. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Next target is 1000 subscribers. Also drop a hi in the comment section if you want to receive a shout out in my next video. Point number 3, Nana Patekar and the chemistry with the supporting cast. Nana shines like the North Star throughout the movie. He has your attention in every scene, in every silence. Every time he cries, you cry. Every time he's in pain, you are in pain. In every sense of the word, he is the true Nut Samrat. The chemistry between Nana and all the other characters is amazing. It's like a rainbow filled with different colors. You get to see a devout wife and a husband who recognizes his own faults. Two friends who ridiculously roast each other like best friends always do. A Dada and Poti who are the perfect team. And I can go on and on with the chemistry that Nana had with each and every character. Best part was I was watching this movie with my mummy and she was pointing out the dynamics between Nana and his Bahu, played by a very capable Neha Paintsing. Directed by Mahesh Manjrekar, who has a wonderful cameo in the movie if you are observant enough. The movie was officially released in India on 2016 New Year and became the highest grossing film in Marathi cinema at that time, until Sairat occupied that place. The movie trailer was very theatrical as well. As Mahesh Manjrekar is doing the voiceover, the curtains are closed. You see a 2-minute trailer and the curtain closes and the trailer ends. So who should watch this movie? My answer would be everyone. And I believe there is another Telugu movie which had Mahesh Babu, Venkatesh and Prakash Raj in it. And secondly, people who have the taste for philosophy, drama, love for theatre should watch this movie and enjoy the 2 hours and 45 minutes of pure on-stage entertainment. Please note, if you do not know Marathi, you would have to match with the 1-inch line of English subtitles, and trust me, it's worth it. Now, after so many reasons which I've given you, you would know why I say that the IMDb rating of 9 is completely unjustified. This movie easily deserves a score between 9.5 and 10. That was the in-depth review and analysis of the movie Nut Samrat. Drop a comment and let me know how did you find the video. Last but not the least, please do subscribe to Abashed Pursue. Tab tak ke liye, stay tuned, stay safe and keep watching my reviews, क्योंकि Abashed Pursue